Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. In this video, I am telling you how to make your video clearer and how to make writing on the board clear and clean. If your video is not clear and you do not see the contents in the video clearly, so follow this option. It is very easy. When you play the video, just look to the video screen. You will see at the top right side of the video screen these three dots. When you click on these three dots, you will see the option quality. Click on the quality and select the maximum quality for the video. When you choose the maximum quality for the video here, you will see writing on the board clearly and all the contents in the video will be seen clean and clearly. Thank you.